let's look at a couple of the variation problems that I gave you on your review sheet. Problem 69 from the Chapter 6 review. The distance that a body falls from rest varies directly as the square of the time of the fall. Okay. The distance, well, let's use the letter D to represent the distance. So the distance that a body falls from rest varies directly. So remember, direct variation is a multiplication of the constant with the other item, the other quantity. So the distance that a body falls from rest varies directly as the square of the time. So direct variation looks like this. Remember the generic version. Y varies directly as x is y equals k times x. So here, the distance a body falls from rest varies directly as the square of the time of the fall. So there's our step one. There's our generic equation. In our four-step process of solving a variation problem, now we go to step two, where we find an example that we can put the values in to find k. So it says, if skydivers fall 144 feet in 3 seconds, so the distance they fall is 144 feet in 3 seconds. So the distance was 144, the time is 3. And now I can find k. 144, 3 squared is 9, equals 9k. So k equals 144 divided by 9. 9 goes into 14 one time with a remainder of 5, so that's 54. 9 times 6 is 54. So our k value is 16. So step 3 is to write the specific equation with our known k value now. So our known k value that relates distance to the time that a body falls is 16. So it says, if the skydiver will fall 144 feet in 3 seconds, how far will they fall in 10 seconds? So now we can go to step 4, where we answer the specific question. How far will a skydiver fall in 10 seconds? So we're going to put 10 in for t. 10 squared is 100. So the distance that a skydiver would fall in 10 seconds is 1,600 feet. And that might be what we would say. A skydiver will fall 1,600 feet in 10 seconds. Again, notice how we've gone through those 4 steps. Get the generic equation in terms of whatever type of variation you have. Direct, inverse, joint, whatever's going on. Put in the specific example to find your constant of variation, k. Put that k value in then to create your specific equation for the situation. Use that equation to answer the question you're asked.